Okay. Okay guys, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be playing Tap Cafe. I have my free trail on, so if it ends, I'm gonna end the video too. Okay. So we got Chaw. So wait, what was your name again?
There was a farmer, had a dog, and Vino
Why are you
was his name.
singing? Okay, oh, you need a bath. Where's the restroom?
Oh, I come from Alabama with my banjo on my knee.
Stop singing.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb.
Oh, there's another bath. They have a bathtub. Okay, you need a bath. You're getting into. Oh, my dead titty alive. Alright, my dead titty alive. My dead titty alive. Okay, come on, titty. Here, titty. Now let me get Stinky out of the bathtub. Now let me get Stinky out of the bathtub. Oh my god, I don't know. I'll call you Stinky from now on because...
There was a farmer, had a dog, and row, row, row your boat gently down the stream.
Hey! I'm gonna point the task by pointing down by a cucumber. Hey, Stinky! Are you so afraid of cucumbers? Oh, he's not. Hey, you! Are you so afraid of cucumbers? Hey, are you so afraid of
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Who's still singing? Hey, are you so afraid of cucumbers? Okay, laser pointer make the top spin.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
By using a laser pointer. Where's the laser pointer? Where's the laser pointer? Hey, are you so afraid of cucumbers? Are you so afraid of Guys, is this the laser pointer? Hey.
Row, row.
Oh my god! How you did that? Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to slice you. I didn't mean to slice you like a lifesaver. I didn't mean to. Alright, meow delivery. Meow. Wait, there's another cat named Meow? Oh my god, let me get Meow real quick. Let me get the cat Meow. Come here, Meow Meow. Come here, Meow. Come here, Mounty Mounty. Okay. Now what's for Meowny? Wasted cucumber. The cucumber that was planted to cats earlier. Hey, are you afraid of cucumbers? Alright, we only have 4 minutes left, and we're done for it. We only have 4 minutes and we're done for it.
Had a dog, and Bingo was his name. Oh,
Throw bunny down at the cat. Oh, is this a lifesaver?
Eek, that startled my 9 lives.
Did you just chop?
You mess with the cat, you get the nap. Eek, that startled my 9 lives. Comfy spot claimed. Move along.
Alright, if it hits 2 minutes, we're done. We're done if it hits 2 minutes.
Laser beams are less annoying.
Oh, there's another cat. What's his name? Potador? Guys, is this Potador? Is this Potador, y'all? Is this Potador?
if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
Is this Potador, y'all? Oh, wait, what's that do to Potador? Now let me change the channel to the dance channel. Alright guys, my trail's about to end. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Goodbye.